Hello there, individual agribusiness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Pure Tech, where we bring you the foremost jaw-dropping headways in cutting-edge cultivating innovation. Nowadays, we have an extraordinary treat for you as we investigate a few mind-blowing agrarian machines that will take off you in awe. From enormous computerized gatherers to cutting-edge accuracy planting frameworks, the world of cutting-edge agribusiness is advancing at a surprising pace. We've scoured the globe to bring you a compilation of the foremost extraordinary machines that are taking cultivating to another level. Our Warren Grassadon Bocal. Itdo, you desire lush grass on your property. You may get turf at Warren Grassadon for a reasonable price. Order your sod over the phone or online and let a trained grower handle the labor-intensive work. The seed will afterwards develop into a stunning, dense, weed-free turf. You can put the sod in your garden or have it installed in a day after we cut it fresh for you based on your request. You can select premium grass sod from Warren Grassadon. Being a part of the Dutch Association of Grass Sod Growers, NVKG, enables us to ensure this. As a consequence, you always get a lush, weed-free, dense, deep green turf that is perfectly laid out as per your specifications. Determine the costs directly via our calculation tool on the website or contact us for appropriate advice. We are happy to show you why you should purchase your turf from Warren Grassadon. Proning Driveway Grader. The delegated carport grader from Noordenhof can provide your carport a more flexible and level surface. With the assistance of this versatile hardware, you'll get freed of washboarding and potholes, whereas setting up a delegated profile that empowers great waste. Wrap up with ease and polished skill. The slip shoes on each side of the delegated carport grader make it simple to ride on the ground and encourage straightforward operation. You will alter the edge accurately, coming about in a smooth and long-lasting surface. Our delegated carport can offer assistance property holders or temporary workers alike who need to upgrade their path. Sometime recently reviewing, evacuate potholes with the ripper shanks. Each shank incorporates a tallness alteration. It comes with solidified shanks, each 6 standard on center. The Lagoon Crawler is the first remotely controlled agitation boat that is amphibious. There are currently more than 175 lagoon crawlers on the market, having been developed in 2014 to a quickly growing demand. The amphibious non-lagoon crawler is made for disturbing lagoons. The vehicle has about 5 feet of ground clearance because to the ability of the wheels to be lowered. When it enters a lagoon, the device transforms into an agitation boat. The lagoon crawler is driven by a quad-port non-heather series manual pump when it is in the lagoon, to move the pontoon through the lagoon and stir up the solids from the bottom. Volumes of 10,000 plus GPM are used. There is no need for a priming mechanism on the non-lagoon crawler. The lagoon crawler does not need a priming system. Once the lagoon is emptied, the 4 wheels are lowered and the machine is able to drive itself out of the lagoon. Marcrest Bale Baron 5250 series. Large square bales can be handled and baled with agricultural equipment from the Marcrest Bale Baron 5250 series. It specifically refers to a model produced by bale handling equipment specialist Marcrest Manufacturing Incorporated. Large square bales of hay, straw, or other commodities can be handled more quickly and easily with the Bale Baron 5250 series. It is frequently applied in the agriculture sector to boost productivity and lower labor demands. The Marcrest Bale Baron 5250 series may include the following important characteristics. 1. Baling framework. The machine is prepared with a baling framework that compresses trim fabric into huge square parcels. It regularly has movable settings to oblige diverse bunch sizes and densities. 2. Mechanized operation. The Bunch Aristocrat 5250 arrangement frequently highlights computerized operation, minimizing the require for manual labor. It can be worked by a single administrator utilizing controls and settings coordinates into the machine. 3. Bunch taking care of. Once the bunches are shaped, the machine is able of taking care of them effectively. It may incorporate components such as transport frameworks or using pressurized water-controlled arms to stack and transport the bunches. Agribusiness could be a noticeable producer known for its progressed collect frameworks, particularly outlined for peanuts. With a history crossing over 60 a long time, the company has committed its endeavors to progressing the innovation of claim to fame agrarian and mechanical gear. The center of agribusiness on shelled nut gathering hardware illustrates their specialization in this specific division of horticulture. Their hardware is outlined to streamline and make strides the proficiency of shelled nut gathering forms, making a difference. Agriculturists maximize their yields and diminish labor necessities. Whereas I do not have get to particular points of interest, approximately the run of items or advances advertised by agribusinesses. Their skill in shelled nut collecting hardware shows that they likely give an assortment of apparatus and frameworks custom-made to the interesting needs of shelled nut agriculturists. For more nitty-gritty and up-to-date data approximately AMADA's industries items, it is suggested to visit their official site or contact them straightforwardly. They ought to be able to supply particular points of interest, almost their progress gather frameworks, and the highlights they offer to improve shelled nut cultivating operations.